Okay, balik po tayo sa ating programang Good Morning Boss. Alam niyo po, wala talagang yumayaman sa pangingempleyo. Kaya't mas maganda talaga kapag ang isang tayo po lahat ay mag-isip-isip na magnegosyo. Kaya panoorin po natin to. Napakaganda pong feature story, Entrepreneur Exhibit, dyan po sa San Beda. Panoorin natin.
Experience is the best teacher, ika nga. Lalo na sa larangan ng pagnenegosyo. Kaya naman para higit pang hasain ang entrepreneurial skills ng mga mag-aaral sa San Beda College, regular na isinasagawa ang Entrep.
Meron po tayong selling, which is implementation po ng 4th year. As an overview, it enhances our skills to be a future entrepreneur and a businessman also.
The importance of having this kind of activity is that you're having an actual application of what you are writing in your paper. So it is vital for us, early young age, to have an entrepreneurial mindset. It is not enough to learn the principles inside the four corners of the classroom. It is not enough to read and to write what is being taught to us, but you explore to the real business environment.
Iba't ibang bisyo ng mga mag-aaral ang tampok sa exhibit. Mula sa pagkain, kasuotan, bag, at marami pang iba.
Dito po, makikita po natin na yung mga products po namin is all about snacks po. Gusto po namin magkaroon po yung mga kabataang Pilipino na di po mahal na mga snack.
Kaalaman din ang hatid ng Entrep sa bawat kalahok.
Going into a business is very risky, but if you are into business, you can explore yourself, you can explore your skills and maximize your potential. Leadership skill, in your decision making, and in every different skill that you can venture out. To every youth na gusto maging entrepreneur, gustong mag-try ng businesses, it does not matter kung gaano kalaki yung capital eh. Ikaw mismo kailangan mo maging motivated dun sa business mo, kung ano mang line ng business yan. Basta ikaw alam mo mismo nandun yung passion mo.
Mahirap pong kumita po na nagtatrabaho po sa isang kumpanya. Mas maganda po na meron po tayong pinagkakakitaan.
Tulad ng mga Entrep students at the college, ay maaga ring sumubok sa pagnenegosyo si Mark Freeman.
Marketing is a good business because they're giving opportunity to other people na kumita. Then of course, kumita ng extraordinary income. So, make a goal. Then number 2, make an action. So, syempre, goal without action is useless. So, kailangan, pag may dream ka or may pangarap ka sa buhay, kailangan actionan mo siya para makuha yung pangarap.